I bought this 3D printer and I wanted to do a little demonstration so you can see how it works. So I'm gonna show you step by step. It is pretty simple. Pretty much you have to find a design. This is the design creator space. As you see, it's picking it up, it's lifting up the filament. This is what we're making. And this specific design, it printed in 2 minutes. So now all I do is pull this magnetic slab and take the ring out. And this is how the ring was made. It's a heart ring, pretty cute, in this 3D printer. So let me try it. Yeah, it's actually nice. I'll try this one. Let me try the pinky finger. It's actually not bad. Guys, thanks so much for watching, and here's my pinky finger ring, my pinky ring. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.